Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to start a new series that is going to be giveaways, and this is going to be my first giveaway. I'm going to share some of the, you can say, specific things you have to accomplish to be able to, win one of these or maybe both of these. So first giveaway, I am going to give away this one, Dehn Al Oud Shaheen. Let's see if it can focus over here. So this is the box and this is the bottle, you can see. So this is going to be my first giveaway, and right now I am offering it only in Pakistan. So if you are from Pakistan and you want this for free shipped to your address, you have to complete few things along with this one, not just this one. This is 12 ml Dehn Al Oud Shaheen box. I am going to give away Cambodi Vert. So this is the sample of Cambodi Vert. It's almost 0.3 or 0.4 grams, and I think it is one of the best Cambodi Oud oils, the real Cambodi Oud oils or artisanal grade Cambodi Oud oils. So Oud Shaheen with this one, so you can win both of these. Now what you have to do is to win these, you have to comment in the sections below. So you have to write the comment, I want Dehn Al Oud Shaheen, or I want Cambodi Vert from Imperial Oud, the sample of this one. Anyhow, so you have to write this. Then the next step is that you must be a subscriber to my channel. Do subscribe, because I'm going to give the update of the winner in another video. So if you miss that video, you cannot know that if you have won or not. So first thing is comment below in the video. Then you have to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, anywhere, and you have to mention the tag, you have to hashtag Scent Explorer. Okay, so you have to share this video with Scent Explorer hashtag, and that's it. These are the two things you have to do. First, you have to comment. Second is share this video. Third, subscribe to my channel. So that is all. I would be very pleased. Let's see who is going to win these two beauties, Shaheen, Dehn Al Oud Shaheen. If you really love oud or a starter, this is good for you. If you really want to taste the real aroma of Cambodi Oud oil or the artisanal grade top quality oud oil, this is the thing you need. So I'm going to bundle both of these and I'm going to package these and send it to anyone who is going to win from Pakistan. I hope to see you soon and meet the winner. Once you win, I'm going to reply to your comment or search for the tag wherever you are. So I am going to search for the comments, and I will see who is going to win, and I will contact you, and you have to send me your address and phone number so I can post these to you. Till then, we will meet in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.